What's up, everybody? Just wanted to start a series on the 5th gen Celica. I picked this one up for 500 bucks 2 days ago. Local seller, found it on Facebook Marketplace. It runs and drives, a few issues, power steering, AC, the suspension's pretty rough. It's also got, a couple rough spots on the body. Nothing that can't be taken care of. But, when I was in the process of buying this thing, I was checking out, what parts were available and, what kind of help there was online, and noticed that there's not much on the 5th gen. So if you've got one of these, or you're thinking about buying one of these, and, maybe you're a little intimidated, or, maybe you can add something to the community, check out our future videos. The first project we're going to be tackling is the suspension. I'm trying to get this thing riding kind of the way it's supposed to, and then we're going to go after the power steering. The previous owner told me that it has always leaked, and he kept fluid in it up until about 3 months ago. He said it started spraying out pretty heavily, leads me to believe it's on the pressure side. He purchased a power steering pump as well as the hose. Installed the pump. I didn't get around to installing the hose, but he has no idea where it's coming from. That was kind of all he told me. So yeah, I'm gonna put some fluid in that hopefully tomorrow, and see if we can figure out where that's coming from. But yeah, the first video I'm going to be doing is going to be on the struts. We're going to be doing the struts, the sway bar, and the tie rod. I don't know if you can see that hanging out in there. These are pretty rough. I'm kind of excited to get these in the mail. But yeah, if you need to know how to do the struts on these, check out our next video. We'll be going over that.